Okay, we're going to do our final two problems. I can't believe hardly anyone got this simple little thing right. So let's just talk about what went wrong with it. This is just an evaluate, which means where the m is, we're going to put the -1/2. Where the p is, we're going to put a 1/4. So let's just do that. If you use your parentheses, it makes it clearer and you'll make a lot less mistakes. So I'm going to have a -1/2. P is 1/4. Then we're going to use our parentheses. 1/4 minus -1/2. I kept my parentheses even though I could do this in my head. I didn't want to make any dumb mistakes. We're going to work from left to right. We can do our multiplication first. So it's going to be -1/8. And then I'm going to do what's inside of the parentheses. I'm going to get 1/4 minus -1/2 squared is -1/2 times -1/2, which is 1/4. So many of you had a +1/4 right there, and hence you got the wrong answer. But if you had your parentheses, you would know you're squaring a negative and making it positive, and then you still have that negative. So you get -1/8 times 0, and your answer is 0. So that one's really easy. Just a little mistake right here. Just be very careful with these. Okay, this is the last problem, and believe it or not, even though this problem doesn't have any variables, only numbers, there were so many people that missed this problem that I have to do it on this little video. So let's start this one out. We have all numbers. We have 2 to the -3 power. We can't take 2 to any number to a negative power. We have to move it up to the numerator. But you have to be careful. This -3 is not related to this -1. These go together. You don't bring the whole negative up there with you. So, in another thing, we have a negative over a negative, so we can just make this positive. So if we simplify this first term, it's just going to be 2 times 2. We're going to bring this up and make the exponent positive to the 3rd power. This is exactly the same thing. This -2 is only on the 3. So when we square the 3, it's just going to be 9 when we move it up to the top. We're not squaring this negative. So we have a negative and a negative, we're going to make it positive. So it's going to be plus, this is the problem, a lot of you had kept your negative there, 3 times, we'll move that to the top, 3 to the +2 power. Now we can just figure it out. It's 2 times 8 plus 3 times 9. Just remember, this is 2 times 2 times 2, not 2 times 3. And this is 3 times 3. So we're going to get 16 plus 27, and our final answer is 43.